plasma on the move.
So, what is a coronal mass ejection? It's a massive eruption of plasma and magnetic fields from the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, releasing billions of tons of material into space. Think of it as a solar cannonball. This particular CME shot out from the sun at a speed estimated between 800 and 1,000 kilometers per second. Forecasters at the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center quickly began running its trajectory through their WSA-NLEL model, a sophisticated computer simulation that predicts how solar disturbances travel through the solar system. Using data from coronagraphs on satellites like the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory SOHO, which create an artificial eclipse to see the sun's faint corona, they determined the CME was not aimed at Earth. Instead, the model showed its path would sweep directly through the sector of space occupied by Comet Swan. The timing was remarkable, just 2 days after the comet's major outburst. This set up a rare opportunity for scientists to watch what happens when a powerful solar storm collides with a comet. The plasma density in the CME, while incredibly thin by earthly standards, is more than enough to overwhelm the comet's own magnetic field. The question for forecasters was no longer if the CME would hit, but when, and how dramatically it would affect the comet's enormous, newly expanded tail.